I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady. And today, guys, do you want the drum roll? You want the drum roll?
Please.
All right. That was kind of weak. Can you help me out? I have Rodney Rhodes with Property Frameworks. Is that correct?
That is correct. Thank you.
Okay, awesome. And we're going to talk about property management today, Rodney.
That's right.
This is for people who are just like, I don't want to manage it myself.
That's right.
It's too much. So
that is exactly right. The ones that don't want to deal with the headaches.
right, exactly. So they call you, or they call us, and then they call.
Correct.
And that's how it kind of works, right?
Yeah. So we are affiliated with Coldwell Banker.
Okay.
So the Coldwell Banker agent is usually the one that brings us the client.
Mm-hmm.
Once we have the client, we explain the company, our pricing, how we work, and we do everything we can to make them comfortable coming over. Obviously, we want to help out with your clients.
Absolutely.
So yes, we work with the agent and Coldwell Banker to get the referrals.
Awesome. So what does it cover? How does this work?
We are actually a 24-hour service, so 24 hours a day. Property
24
management
hours.
is live.
Mm-hmm.
The tenants actually pay their rent to us.
Okay.
The landlords deal with us and one of our team members. If there's a maintenance issue, 24 hours a day, they can call the hotline. The
Okay.
hotline will actually direct them out through to get to the vendor for assistance.
Okay.
So we do nonstop. Yeah.
Right. So collect the rent as well as take care of repairs.
Mhm.
Now, in regards to repairs, how's this work? Do you take the funds from the rent and fix the item, or how's this work?
So there's a couple ways. So
Okay.
if the property's vacant and there
Mhm.
needs to be something done, of course, we don't have rent coming in. So at that point in time, the owners actually can log in 24 hours a day and they can direct deposit funds into their ledger at Property Frameworks.
Oh.
So if it's a $300 job, they can direct deposit wherever they're at in the world 24 hours a day and have the funds there to pay for the job.
Wow.
If the property's rented, then of course we just pull from the monthly income and we pay the invoices from that.
Oh, wow. That's pretty awesome.
It seems to be working. Yes.
So on the whole thing is online at this point.
We are online, but I always say that even though we are very much online, we still have that personal touch.
Okay.
People can call us, email us, stop in our offices, and of course work with Coldwell Banker to work with us as well. So that being said, we're however we need to be worked.
Okay. And in regards to, I guess let's go to the tenant side of things. If there's the repair, like you said, I guess they can call. Is there an
Right.
online system that they can also use in order to
Exactly.
request a repair or maintenance?
Yeah, so some people don't like internet. Some people don't like
I know.
to do that. So they can call in and select the prompt for maintenance, and Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. They can talk to a team member right there. Evenings and weekends, we have a triage team that we deal with it 24 hours a day. So while
Okay.
people are sleeping, we have a team working. And they can actually call in, they can send an email, they can actually log on to what we call the tenant portal.
Okay.
And the portal allows them to submit a work request.
Okay.
The work request then gets processed by the team and starts the repair.
That's pretty awesome. All right.
It
So
seems to be working again, yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
all right. I'm trying to think of some other property management companies and like their systems and things of that nature. How would you compare
So
property frameworks to
one of the
someone
bigger
online?
things is first and foremost, whenever they work with Property Frameworks, whenever a property becomes vacant, we have a national site, so the property gets advertised on the national site.
Okay.
So in turn, Coldwell Banker is our listing agent of the property. So of course you get the full advertising of Coldwell Banker and all the services, the multiple listing services. You get the just Googling the area and it'll come up. So we have a massive marketing program.
Okay.
Which in turn gets it out to everyone. And of course, then we do the applications, the full criminal credit, residential rental history application, check them out and make sure they're good for the owner.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Now, with all this being said, how much does this cost, Rodney?
Actually, that is one thing that we've worked very hard
Okay.
is to keep our prices down and our services very, very high level. So the monthly management fee will fall between $100 and $200 a month.
Okay.
And the way we come to that number is it's a 7.5%.
Okay.
So we shoot for 7.5%, but if it's 7.5% becomes $75, we will raise the percent to get to the $100.
Okay.
If it's a higher end property, we cap them at 200. So if 7.5% becomes out to 250, we reduce the percentage to 200.
Oh, wow.
So they will between $100 and $200.
Okay.
The leasing fee to find the tenant is equal to the first full month's rent of the property.
Okay.
And then the only other fee we have is a renewal fee, which is
Okay.
roughly $300.
Okay. Awesome. And last question for you. Is it possible to have like an a la carte type of thing? Maybe they just want you to collect the rent, or maybe they just want you to handle the annoying phone calls?
Annoying phone calls. We have a few of those. Yes. So there is an a la carte coming.
Okay.
I would like to say it's coming because we are designing. Right now we're full service. So we are full 24-hour day service. We're
Okay.
working nonstop on the client's behalf. But we also have the clients that say, I can do all the maintenance, I just need bookkeeping.
Okay,
Or vice versa, I can do the bookkeeping, I just need the maintenance.
okay,
So we are going to offer a reduced version. It'll be a little bit cheaper than the $100 to $200 range, but we will have a reduced version coming soon that if you're a home builder and you build your own properties, you probably don't need maintenance.
right.
So then we can take care of the books for you, you deal with the maintenance, and vice versa if someone else needs the opposite too.
Pretty awesome. So how do we find you?
PropertyFrameworks.com. That's our
Okay.
national site. And of course, you can always talk to any Coldwell Banker agent or Coldwell Banker affiliate. We are part of that family, and we're everywhere.
Well, thanks for coming out today.
Oh my gosh, this is great. Much easier than I thought.
Good, good. Well, guys, remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady. Make it a great day, guys.